I'm Steve Parrino of Brown Harris Stevens, and today I want to show you 50 East 72nd Street, apartment 10C. This is a fantastic apartment that's been completely renovated. You come into a beautiful gourmet chef's kitchen with marble backsplash and a gorgeous 48-inch Wolf range with a professional hood that is vented out, as well as a custom pop filler. The apartment has some gorgeous oak floors and has a great little nook on this side with the kitchen sink. And under here we have a washer and dryer that vents out, as well as a powder room with Calcutta marble tiles and basket woven floors. The apartment also has a custom little banquette where a cafe table could be installed. The kitchen opens up to a beautifully proportioned living room with high 9.5-foot ceilings, custom lighting with all new electric, as well as a beautiful wood-burning fireplace that predates even the building, which was built in 1928. In the primary bedroom, we have two more beautiful southwest-facing windows, as well as custom closets built into the apartment. The primary bedroom has its own bath ensuite with a double sink, deep soaking tub, as well as a window. The second bedroom has a great northwest exposure that allows plenty of natural light to flood the room. The bedroom also has its own private bath ensuite with marble Carrara tiles, and just like the other two, it has a window bath. The second bedroom has custom built-ins with its own desk, as well as 3-foot deep closets. The wallpaper is original shoemaker wallpaper, and the dental crown moldings have all just been installed. Again, I'm Steve Parrino from Brown Harris Stevens, and if you'd like to see this property in person, please feel free to give me a call.